In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an epic into a user story in Jira. This is a common task for project managers and team leads who often need to manage and organize their work more effectively. So let's dive straight in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First, we'll begin our journey at the Jira homepage. This is your main hub where you have access to all your projects, issues, and various other important features. It's essential to start here because it provides you with a complete view of all your ongoing activities, and from here you can easily navigate to the specific project you're working on. Next, move over to the Projects tab located on the left-hand side of your screen. You'll want to click on this tab, which opens up a list of all your current projects. Find the project that you're specifically looking to work on and click on its name. This will open the project details, showcasing everything you need to see and do within this particular project. Once inside your selected project, look for the Issues tab. Clicking on this will give you a consolidated list of issues related to the project, and this is where you'll need to search for the epic you intend to convert. With the list of issues displayed, it's time to identify the specific epic issue you wish to transform. Clicking on this epic item will open up its dedicated issue view page. Here you can see detailed information about the epic, and it's where you'll initiate the conversion process. On this page, track down the More Actions drop-down menu. This is typically symbolized by 3 dots and might require a little scanning to locate, but it's generally easy to spot in the issue view window. Click on it and you'll see a range of actions you can perform with the current issue. In the drop-down menu, select the Move option. This option allows you to change attributes of the issue, and it's critical for switching the issue from one type to another, specifically from an epic to a story. As you enter the Move Issue page, pay special attention to the issue type field. Click on the drop-down menu there, and you'll want to select Story. This selection is key to transforming your epic into a user story and enables different functionalities and views associated with this type of issue in Jira. Finally, wrap up the process by clicking Next, which will guide you through to the confirmation screen. After reviewing your changes to ensure everything looks right, click on Confirm to finalize the conversion. And that's it. With these simple steps, your epic has now been converted into a user story, making it easier to manage as part of your Scrum or Kanban workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in managing your Jira projects more effectively. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other tutorials or reach out for more support. Happy project managing!